MS Office 2016. So first of all, you go to how to install. Also you read this one, the size here, that is the size for 2.54 GB. so offline you have to activate that production. Okay, install that one, go on and on. So here first of all we going to install that one, Office 16 setup. Type is what? Type is application. So, then yes. Okay, then here, so if you want all, you select all. If you want one, you select only one. Okay, so now I'm going to show you only one, because just for training purposes we don't need all. Okay, I just want to show you only MS Word. Clear? So install Office, and here this one getting ready. Now it's installed into background. See this one? It's into background. Just wait. So here we have complete installation of this Office 16. So now I'm going to go to Office 16. Here you can click here, Office 16. Where is that one? Office 16. Office, this one. Is it? So now right click, more, open file location, right click and send to desktop, create shortcut. So now here close. Now we're going to open this MS Office 16. Okay, so here close, wait, accept, yeah, blank documents. Here activate. You see activate is not activate. So now go to file, go to account. The next is that activation is required, is it? So what you have to do, you have to next is that close. Now this one, open KMS loader, then KMS auto, run this KMS auto, then yes. Select Office, check here. Here is set completed. Okay, completed. Is it? Say activation successful, completed. Now what we do is that again going open Office 16, then here blank documents, then go to file, go to account. Your product has been activated. Done.